Welcome here in Emden. We are standing here on the bridge of MB Maros, which currently has its class renewal inside this dry dock. We at Hanse Survey would like to welcome you to Emden Dockyard, which arose from Noordzeewerke dating back to 1903. Drydocking has here long tradition. We choose this shipyard as a partner for this task, as they have proven many times in the past that they are very reliable, flexible, and affordable. This dock is 218 by 32 meters and was constructed in 1954 and fit for the vessel. We have here a 340 TEU container vessel with a displacement of 3,900 metric tons. This vessel is powered by a MAK-8M32 engine. The managing owner is a trusted client of ours, and we are glad to show you around today. The duration a ship stays in docking can vary depending on size, purpose, and required maintenance. Purpose here means that if it is only here for necessary repairs, the duration is longer than if it is here for a class renewal only. There are three main working areas: hull, deck, and engine. On the hull, usually the rust and old anodes are removed, repainted where necessary, and replaced if needed. Work on the shaft or propeller and thrusters can also be done, as they are easily accessible now. On deck, anchor and winches can be overhauled, cargo holds maintained, and tanks inspected and also maintained where needed. The engine department is probably the busiest place during dry docking. Here are many tasks that can only be done when the vessel is safely moored and not running. Certificate renewal is also a big part that has to be taken care of, as the necessity of many jobs on board fall in line with dates set by the class and other authorities. Together with our customers, we discuss the docking and all the tasks that have to be completed. The challenge on hand is to do as much as necessary with a reasonable amount of resources in the shortest period of time. As a result, it is vital that jobs are started already before docking. Preparations like ordering spare parts have to be done in advance. As you can see, the success of docking depends on various factors: availability in the shipyard, the schedule of charterers and/or their owners, the crew on board, and many more. With so many parties involved, it is our job to make sure that communication runs smoothly and that challenges that may occur are met with due diligence. Additional to dock and repair assistances, we provide a lot of other services for shipping businesses, which you can find here on our webpage.